3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Oh, that wasn't as cool as I thought it was gonna be. Where's he going? What are you hiding from, Emma? Oh no, he's getting his paws dirty. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have time for some questions? No? Okay, love you too, mamas. Nope. All right, mamas, ready to head in? We need to go get our coffee and breakfast. Wade, come on. Let's see how long it takes him to get into the holding pen. There goes the mamas. Wade. There goes baby Wade. Say have a great day, guys. Bye.